Hi, I'm John Paul, and today we're going to talk about the MOTO motorcycle heat-plated coil compression tool. This kit comes with 2 individual compression tools, and all you're going to need for this is a 3/8 ratchet. Now let me show you how to use it. I've already put on one of the coil spring compression tools. It's the same thing for the other side, so let me show you how to do this. As you can see that there's 2 jaw teeth that face inward toward each other. You want to slide those onto the spring itself. You will hand tighten the adjustment nut that's on here until they're nice and snug against the coils springs themselves. Make sure that you you allow the bench to work as a pressure point for you. You'll take your 3/8 ratchet drive, you'll put it inside, and you'll start to tighten down. As you do that, the spring will start to compress itself. And that's all there is to it.